Hi there, I'm just going to take you through the drawing portion of the nets. I showed you each of the shapes as we open them, so now I'm just going to sketch them quickly. So when we've got our cube, we need 6 squares, and I usually put the 4 squares down the middle. Oh, I'm making them a little too wide. Let's try this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then your 2 bases off to the side. They're not going to be perfect squares, but you kind of get the idea of what's going on. For the square prism, I'm going to have 4 rectangles as my lateral faces. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then a square off of any one of those. Any one of those could have a square coming off of it. And those are our 6 sides. Next on our list is the triangular prism. That's going to give me 3 lateral faces. So 3 rectangles, and then I'm going to put my triangle off the middle one. So a triangle, 2 triangles as the bases, 3 lateral faces. For our hexagonal, and I think I showed you the pentagonal as opposed to the hexagonal, but the same idea. So if we've got a hexagonal prism, that means that I have 6 sides on my hexagon, so 6 rectangles across the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then somewhere in here is my hexagon coming off the side of that. Not too shabby, not horrible, not great, but it'll work. Okay, you're just sketching. When it comes to our pyramids, I'm going to put my base in the middle. So a triangular pyramid, my triangle base goes in the middle, and then a triangle that comes off of each of the sides of that base. Okay, so we get 4 triangles for our triangular pyramid. For the square pyramid, I get a square in the middle and a triangle coming off each side. For the pentagonal one, we get our pentagon in the middle. Oops, let's try that again. And a triangle that comes off of each side. Again, do the best you can. Just looking for shapes that are identifiable. All right, and then we've got our cylinder. Remember, the cylinder has the soup can label and then 2 circles, and you can put those circles anywhere you want as long as they're on either side of that rectangle that's going to wrap around. And your cone is that circle with kind of what looks almost like a semicircle. Not quite, but we're going to go with it. And those are your nets.